What's up, YouTube? It's Halo, back with another video. Hey, Halo Squad. What up, Halo Squad? Hey, we got an unboxing. It's so late. What time is it? It's like 2 something. But yeah, we got an unboxing video right now. So look, what I'm basically doing is, I bought these cheap liners from Family Dollar. I want to see, how they look, how they feel, and what they could do. Usually stuff from like dollar stores or low pricey stores, they're underestimated and they're underrated. But, I mean, like Walmart, you really can't go wrong with Walmart just because Walmart is a retail store that's like, you get everything at Walmart. So like, even if I was to go to Walmart and get a clipper like this, now I'm talking about 10, it'd still be a good clipper. It's just, even if it's not used like that in a barbershop, you know what I'm saying? So I am a barber in Milwaukee, my city. And yeah, I'm about to unbox these, y'all. For one, I don't even, oh, okay. So yeah, let me see. I can't open this box. Y'all already know what we gotta do. We gotta get these scissors out of, what we gotta do. Here we go, you guys. We got that trim. Look how little this is. Look at this. Ah, this is little. This is little. Look at this. It's little. What the heck? Look at it. I can imagine myself just. This right here. I might just use this personally. If I have to use it on somebody, I would. For the most part, I use it personally. This is little, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. So much stuff. Use these to fade. What's this? Number 1 guard. You got a number 3 guard and a number 2 guard. I'm not about to fade with this. Oh, but this for a beard anyways. It's like for beard and like edge up. Like you could do lining, beard, but it's not really like for the head though. So yeah, let's tie off. Pretty long cord it looks like. Yep, this cord is long. About to turn it on and see what we're cooking. Made in Vietnam. What is it? I did buy another one. It was like a wall. It was a wall one. But I just said, forget it. I get on to my brother. It's slim. It's slimmer than this. But it's not this like short, but it's slimmer. Y'all know like the Slimline Pro? That one. That's what it's like. The other one look like. But yeah, pretty much. This is not bad. The only thing I don't like is the way like, so like this blade right here, not the T blade, but the other one. It's like, it's square, it's a square shape. So you know like how the blade usually is like curved. So it could be that sharp, It's got that curve so like it hit the other blade evenly. This one is like a square shape, and then the T braid is like, I think it's the same. But no, the T braid not. Some of y'all might get what I'm saying. Some of y'all might not. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. if it works right for the lining, I'll use it for that purpose. Cause that's what it's supposed to be used for. It's the edge up. I don't know. Like the blade, I just don't agree with the how they like make it. Made the other blade, not the T blade, but the short blade. It's got a lot of power, I can tell you all that. So yeah, I unboxed it. I gotta throw this trash away. I like it. I like the gold look too. It's pretty nice. Yeah. I'm gonna go crazy with this. We be on the estimating $5. Don't do it for $5. It's not even that. It's a lot of products. You know, it could, like this is a brand. This is Wahl. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's not a knockoff. It's just Wahl. It's a home. This is a home version though. So like, you can use this in a barbershop or whatever, but it's typically like it's mainly for like you just use on yourself. Like this is something like, okay, I just need something right quick. Boom, boom, boom. But it's pretty cool. I'm definitely going crazy with this. Yeah, y'all comment in the section below. Tell me what y'all think about, like, y'all can like go get a clipper from the store, like barbers. Just tell me how y'all feel about knockoff like clippers and shit. Like people be so like y'all see how I got this clipper, right? Certain people be like, oh, that you cheap, bro. It ain't gonna be that good as the one like the T Outliner, the Indies. It ain't gonna be because it ain't professional. It ain't PP. Like, man, shut up, because it's the same thing at the end of the day, man. It's like, you use this the same way you can use another one, okay? It's just that simple. But yeah, y'all have a nice night, rest of the night. Get some sleep. I gotta get some sleep, y'all. I gotta be up tomorrow. I gotta wash the dishes. I didn't do the dishes today. I was supposed to do them today, but I ain't done them all. I'm gonna try to get more consistent with y'all. I just need to know, like, y'all just give me video ideas to put up, and I'll do that. I gotta edit this too. So yeah, peace out, y'all. Love, food.